Okay, we are working the following problem, Chapter 9, number 13. 19. 24 items are randomly selected from a population of 255 items. The sample mean is 32 and the sample standard deviation 5. Develop a 99% confidence interval for the population mean, and we're going to round our answer to 3 decimal places.
Our givens are n equals 24. Our population number, capital N, is 255. Our X bar, or sample average, is 32. And our sample standard deviation, or lowercase s, equals 5.
Okay, the formula for this problem is X bar plus or minus the t-value times the sample standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. And we also have to factor in the finite population correction factor, which is the square root of n minus capital N minus little n divided by capital N minus 1. And the reason we do that is if little n divided by big N is greater than 5% and it's 0.09%. So once we plug the values in, you have 32 plus or minus 2.807, which is our t-value that we find with the 99 confidence interval, and the degrees of freedom is 24 minus 1, so that's 23, and the value is 2.807 right there. And that's multiplied by 5, which is the sample standard deviation, divided by the square root of n, which is 24. We multiply that by the square root of 255 minus 24 divided by 255 minus 1. This big part here comes out to be 2.732, and we add and subtract that value to and from 32, and the answers we get for adding it is 34.732, and once we subtract it, it's 29.268. So our interval is between 29.268 and 34.732.